Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very beautiful day. It's not too warm, not too cold. The sun is sort of playing hide and seek. As you can see, like the light intensity changing. But I was gonna harvest some vegetables or some lettuce, and I thought, why not bring you guys along so I can show you guys how I harvest my lettuce and how I wash and store my my lettuce. I heard it's a good idea to leave maybe about 3 to 5 leaves on the plants. So I tried to do that. So the next step is fairly simple. I'm just gonna soak it in some water. I try to have it the water be cool, and then I'm gonna put some white vinegar. I usually use apple cider or white vinegar. Any vinegar you have should be fine. So put a little bit in there. I don't really measure it because we're still going to rinse it a few times. So I don't really have a set amount of time that I keep this in here for. Sometimes I do, 5 minutes. Sometimes I do 10 minutes. Sometimes I do 30 minutes. It really depends on how much time that I have. I think I'm gonna let it sit in here for about maybe 15 minutes, and then we'll move on to the next step. This is what I will be using to store my lettuce in. So this is just a spinach container. We bought some spinach from Costco, and I saved it. So all you do to prep is, you can clean it if you want. I cleaned mine yesterday and I put it back in the fridge when I used the last of my lettuce. And then I'm just going to put a paper towel inside. Again, this method I got from my boyfriend. But I've been doing this, and my lettuce has been lasting for over a week in the fridge. So the next step is I'm going to transfer it over here. So when I'm transferring my lettuce, I don't just like grab it and like put it into the next container. So I try to like rinse it off first, so any of the what's on it, like, it's off of it before I put it in here. So sometimes I also use my sprayer, or I can add I usually add some water I'm gonna go ahead and use my sprayer this time. So this is the last rinse. Again, you want to be very delicate with the lettuce, because if you break it, it will go bad quicker. You'd see like brown lines like this, which we don't want. So this time I'm not going to like spray it, but I'm also like shaking a little bit just so if there's anything on it, it can fall off before I put it in my strainer. I'm sure I got most of it, but I just want to be sure. So I know this is really time consuming, but it's kind of relaxing to do, and it's just nice that, I don't know, just nice looking at it and you're like, I grew this and I'm going to, you know, I'm going to eat this. I'm gonna, you know, make some healthy food. I was thinking about getting a salad spinner for my lettuce or my leafy greens, but I've been doing it this way and I don't think I really need one. So what I'm gonna do is just carefully, you know, it doesn't have to be extremely dry because I have the paper towel in there, which will help soak up some of the moisture. But I'm going to first just try to get some of the excess water like this. There you have it. So like I said, I'm able to keep it in the fridge for about a week and a half. It stays really fresh in here. So just gonna carefully, because you don't want to break any of the leaves. If none of them are broken, they have a longer chance of staying fresh. So like I said, this is about a full container, and you would pay about, I don't know, $7 or $8 from wherever you get groceries from for organic lettuce like this. I don't know if this helps, but I also store it in the vegetable drawer in my fridge. So I put it in here. And right now it's on high. Not sure if it matters, but I don't really play with it too much. So there, guys, that's how I harvest, clean, and store my lettuce. Like I said, I'm able to keep it in the fridge for about a week and a half before it starts to go bad. I hope you guys found this video very helpful, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.